Good evening, guys. Welcome to today's live intraday trade. Today we have taken one position only in Infi January options, that is Infi January 1300 put. Why we have taken that position? In case when market open in morning, it opened gap up and Infi was trading much higher, so we decided that we will buy the put for this, and here is the information. We bought it at 490 and sold it at 595. The lot size for Infosys is 600 and the margin required is 490 into 600. So in 2940 rupees we have achieved the return of 630 rupees. So 630 divided by 2940 into 100, we have achieved 21.42% of return in just one day. So this was our trade for today, and I'll show you the chart as well. Just made a high of 6 rupees and came back from there. Previous close was 7.05, and here open and low were closely near, around 3.55 and 3.20. So here when you see on a chart in a 1 minute time frame where we have entered, I'll show you. At this momentum, when it made this flag pattern in 1 minute time frame, we have scalp our trade and it was sustaining above this level, that is 4.75. It was sustaining above this level, so we decided to enter the market near this. So in this range only we entered the market, and you can see within 5 minutes we have achieved our targets at this level. So that's all for today, and thank you very much for watching such videos. So it's not that how much money is required to trade, it is the price action, it is the strategy which you require to do the trade. So we were discussing that in case of Infosys, it opened around 1350 and it has made a high of 1361, that was in first candle, but it has made a low of 1335, means it was going down. So we bought the put in case of Infosys, that is 1300 put. So the nearest strike price for Infosys is 1300, so that's why we have selected 1300 put. We were expecting it to come down from 1350 levels. So when it was facing the resistance near 1350, we bought the put and we booked very good profit in that case. So never be too greedy in stock market. Keep your positions and stop loss very tight and calculative. I'll make another video regarding the trading mistakes followed by the newbies and sometimes experienced traders as well. That will be a topic for another video. Those who are interested to join Zerodha, the link is given in description. Those who want to learn technical analysis, that also we have given a link in a description. The course duration is for 90 days and the charges mentioned are in a post, you can check. Those who are interested in daily intraday trade, for them we were posting 3 to 4 stocks daily for educational purpose in our blog, that is NSE stocks technical analysis.blogspot.com. The link is in description. You can go and check out there how we have given our stocks for analysis and how they have performed daily. So thank you very much guys for today's video. Have a nice day, and maybe today's expiry may have given very good results to so many of my friends and traders. Thank you.